Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they say it leaks and they can't find the leak. Well, it leaks. So I took a rectangle just in case it won't leak all over the pages, and I'm like, you can't see the leak? You know, there's two nodes right there that are not joined. There's some other ones that, you know, whenever you see a crevice like that, the nodes aren't joined. So, and I don't know what is going on here. I would think you'd want this all one piece, but we're going to fix that later. But what you can do is with the whole thing selected, select it, and then go to your shape tool, and that'll select the nodes, and then select all the nodes by putting the marquee around there, and you can see they're highlighted. Go to Windows Dockers Join Curves, and I've got mine set on 0.2, and watch what happens. 55 nodes on 11 subpaths, 49 nodes on 2 subpaths. So it made from 11 breakages into 2, and now it should not leak. And that's what he wanted. Now, I would think you would not, I don't know why he's doing this here. And first of all, this is what I call a whoop-de-doo. It's just turned around, and, you know, we got some breakage there. But I would think you'd want this to be all one piece on the quill. So if you'll do that and just take the Smart Fill tool or the virtual segment delete key, we still got our, and see that's, and by doing that, you're creating a new shape, and it's going to seal all that. So we're going to change our nudge factor to about 8 inches. And we're going to take that and move it over, and then we're going to fill in the outline and nudge it over. And then when we take and left click, right click, you have 2 items, 2 objects selected on one layer. Now his other question was, how does he get rid of these sharp points and have more rounded points? Well, kind of the same thing, and we got a bad point there. I'm going to actually delete that node. So we got an extra line somehow. I'm just going to delete it and delete it. Now the Smart Fill tool should have fixed that. And a lot of times you can't join a node that is on a, see, that's what I call a whoop-de-doo. I'm going to try to just delete it. But it messed up our graphic, so let's just put it back. Shouldn't really cause you a problem. I just don't like it because of that whoop-de-doo. And by doing that, you ought to be able to just, well, one, we could delete that node and then bring this other node in. It's not too easy to join a node to an existing line. But now his next question was how to get rid of these sharp points. And there's another little, you know, even though I joined them, there's another little mishap of nodes. I don't know who drew this, but see, there's some nodes we don't even need. And then you could actually bring that leaf back. Anyway, how do you get away from those sharp points? And I'm going to, let's make a duplicate of this so we can tell the difference after we're through. And on this one, I'm going to grab it all, then I'm going to grab it with the shape tool, and I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to hit, that selected all the nodes, I'm going to hit F12, and I'm going to go right here to rounded corners and hit OK. It should have rounded the corners now, so we don't have a sharp, if we look at the original, you have a blunt shape. Now you have a rounded corner on this leaf. It's pretty cool leaf, or keep calling it a leaf. Pretty cool feather. So let's do, you know, green and then green, fill that in with darker green. And you know, you can always go and hold down the control button, add a little black to that inner one, and make your feather. Of course, he might have, I picked green because I thought it was a leaf, but it's a feather. So, but that's how you could do things like that. You know, it's a little bit of a mess, you know, right here. But, you know, it's going to work unless he's going to cut this out. You know, I would bring that around and just kind of have the note. You know, we must not have had a round corner picked on that one. Let's go hit F12 again on our keyboard and go round corner and see it. I must have just missed it. But anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.